Hey, it's Jonathan, and thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. Last time we were looking at Bitcoin, I was showing you this hidden divergence that we had, and we were sitting right about the 32 area, and I was saying that I doubt very seriously we'd move back down. Since then, we've had quite a rally. We're sitting right at the present time on the upper 39,000s, close to 40,000. Right at this point. Just to recap what I was talking about last time is uh, from this first low, we had a high on our relative strength to the low on the relative strength here, which was this low. We had this move up, we moved back down, we made it all the way back to the bottom of our relative strength without breaking the bottom of this first low. This was a huge hidden divergence, is what this has been. Um, I'm putting projections up here somewhere. I believe this move is going to continue on the long term. I think we're going to continue on up. This is just the beginning of this move, in my opinion. Of course, that's just what it is opinion. And but let's look at this on the lower time frame and just see where we're at and where we might be. What I'm watching now, we've had this channel, we've hit this channel, and we've moved up quite nicely. We're making lower highs right at the present because we haven't come back up to this line to make it even high. I would have wanted to see it make it up to right around 42. So we're making lower highs at this point. If you don't understand exactly what I'm talking about this being a lower high uh, than this, I would point you towards my welcome video, which will explain that to you. We're having some battle going on here, some up and down movement as we try to bring this relative strength back down. I'm looking at possibly right here around the 37 area would bring us back to the bottom of our channel, which is definitely distinguished at this point. We've hit it, 3 times at this point, so this is a distinguished channel. Although it looks like we're holding right here, which is a higher low. I am watching this area, this 37 region is what I'm watching. If we can stay above that, if our relative strength can get back down here to the oversold area, and the price stay right around that 37 area, even if we break out this channel a little bit, say that given it time, we hit that 37 area, but it still breaks a channel. I still think that this would be a continuation move to the upside. We just need to see how strong it is. Relative strength's coming down, our price is staying high, so we have another divergence here. Back on our daily chart, that would just look like another move up, and I would have a target of this upper time frame. If for some reason we do break down through that 37 area, then I would be looking at quite possibly a retracement. I don't think we're going to come back as low as our center point here, although we could go back down to the 32 region, but I believe that this move is strong enough that we would stay higher. It depends on of course it depends on how much pressure we see. It could be a real fast move with a bounce, but I just have to watch it. But I would suspect that we'd definitely be down to about the 34 area. If we break that 37, I'd be looking at the 34 area here. Of course, we could come back all the way down, depending on how fast our relative strength comes back down and hit this. But that would be quite a move. That would actually, I actually wouldn't mind to see that, because that would build us up. The pressure would be, we'd be ready, set. That would prime us, just ready to go for the next move up, the next explosive move up. But I don't have a doubt that this is going to continue. Of course, this is always it's a game of percentages. And right at this point, unless there's some kind of crazy news comes out, I believe that we're going to be up. I don't have a projection. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a projection here real quick. Let's see where we're at. Let's see what it looks like. Of quite possibly, let's see, find something to pull off of here. Probably here, here, and there. If we'd come back to here, that would give us a nice spring. Next move would be, yeah, if we'd come back to this 33 area, that would give us a nice spring. I could see us bouncing along this line, coming back, touching about 54,000, and then moving up from there. This would be a nice, this looks like a nice, this would be a nice path to chart right here. But again, this is all speculation. But it's just things that I'm watching. As long as my relative strength stays above that 37 area, I think we're going to have a continuation to the top. So we'll see what happens. This has been a little technical analysis for today. These are exciting times. Exciting times. So y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay.